Hello everyone, I hope that everyone be healthy and happy in this quarantine time and fighting with this coronavirus. My friend and I just now in this time get some news about the treatment of the coronavirus that is called COVID-19 and now it's pandemic in the world. As you see here, it is the remdesivir drug and my friend will continue.
Hello, my friends. As my friend told, today we want to just have some short, brief discussion about the drug that it may be the treatment for coronavirus. What is this drug? It's called remdesivir, which is an antiviral medication and it's developed by American biopharmaceutical company which its name is Gilead. So, what do you think? This drug, it was existed before or they just discovered?
I know that many of us heard about this remdesivir drug and the Ebola disease. I heard about Ebola many years ago, and this drug would discovered for this
The purpose,
disease.
yes.
And as we know, Ebola has some symptoms, for example,
High fever.
diarrhea and others. And it is not a new drug, but it is now under changing for the treatment of the coronavirus disease.
Yes, they are working on it and have some experiments on this drug that it may be become a drug for treatment of coronavirus.
So, as you can see here, we have two different parts. The first part is about the chemical properties of the remdesivir. And you can see here a picture of the open structure of this drug, and it's related to the organic chemistry. This is here about the formula, ID and molar mass and other names of this drug, and it's important that route of administration of this drug is intravenous. So, about the second part is what is antiviral medication. Viral is referred to the virus. I know that you know this word. Antiviral drugs are a class of medication used for treating viral infections. Most antivirals target specific viruses, while a broad spectrum antiviral is effective against a wide range of viruses. And antivirals are available for many viral infections and viruses controlled by current antiviral therapy, for example, hepatitis virus, herpes viruses, for example, HIV, and influenza viruses that it's called the flu. And here you can see the differences between the antibacterial, antibiotic, and antiviral drugs. Unlike most antibiotics, antiviral drugs do not destroy their target pathogen. Instead, they inhibit their development. So, these antiviral drugs inhibit the development of the target pathogen. And here the target pathogen is coronavirus.
Thank you for this great information about this drug. Now I want to just start to tell you about this news, which it was in April 29, 2020, which was today actually, but after we releasing this video it may be 30th of April. So it's about that Gilead announced results from phase 3 trial of investigation antiviral remdesivir in patients with severe COVID-19. What does this mean? It means that they are doing some experiments. Before that, I want to just mention Gilead is the name of the pharmaceutical company which is working on formulating and changing and modifications on this remdesivir drug. So
it has, as I can see here, it has three different trials, and it says that it has the positive data emerging from National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases.
Yes, it has 3 phases till today. And today, what's happening news? It means that the happening news is the 3rd phase is just passed successfully, and they are waiting for FDA submission.
They are waiting for the approval of the FDA company. What is the FDA? FDA means it's abbreviation of Food and Drug Administration that recognize which drug is good or not, and for
Yes,
the
it's very
publishment.
important that it's very important that FDA submits the drugs, or if there is new drug, or if there is some changes on drug and their effects and also side effects. It's very, very important that FDA submit it. And today, Dr. Anthony, who is the director of National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, had some interview with NBC News, and he just mentioned that the 3rd phase was successfully finished and they had some positive results.
And we hope that, because this virus should be killed and destroyed anyway. And thanks for hearing and being with us. And we hope that this coronavirus and this virus will be goes away, and all of us be healthy and happy like before, and better than before.
Exactly. So, just shortly, if I mention a summary of this video is, don't forget that remdesivir drug, and they are doing some changes and modifying this drug, that it may be
useful for the treatment of the COVID-19.
Yes. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to share this news, this video to your friends, and just wait for other news in next weeks or even months. And don't forget that our infinity doesn't have any limitations.
Have a good day.